Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will discuss about string functions or text function in Power BI. This functions enables us to concatenate the string value, searching the text within string and extracting the portion of the string. This function also allows the adjustment of formats for dates, times, and numerals. So now let's begin with some of the text functions in Power BI. Our first text function is concatenate function. This functions will allows us to concatenate two string into a single string. Basically, it will take two string like power and automate and it will return power automate. So now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. To concatenate two string, we will create a simple new measure. I will give some name to the measure. For example, concatenate func is equal to concatenate, and here we will provide the first text as power. When you will provide the text, we need to use the quotation power and then comma, and then we will provide the second text that or string, that is automate, and we will enclose the bracket and we will click on enter. Now we will use this measure in our Power BI. So for this we will select this one. Now you can see here we pass the two text and it is concatenate with a single string. Now to give space in between the string, either you can give space over here and you can click enter. You can see there is space. Our next function is the format function, which allows us to change a value to text based on a specified format. So this function accepts three parameters, that is value, format string, and the locally name. So for example, we want to format the date in a YYMMDD format. So it will return something like, for example, 2024-03 month and 25. So now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. To do this in Power BI, I will create new measure. I will write date format and I will click equal and I will write format function. So first we need to provide the value. I will provide the UTC now and I will put comma. Then I will provide the string YY and make sure the month will be capital M, MM and DD and click on enter. So now our date is formatted, current date is formatted. Now we can use this date in our card visual. So for this we will remove that previous measure and I will use this one. And you can say 2024-03-25. Next we will talk about replace function. This function allows us to replace the particular part of your old text or string with the required new text based on the number of character you have provided. So here you can see the example of the replace function, and the replace function accepts four parameter, that is old string, start number, number of characters, and the new text. Now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. To do this in Power BI, we need to create a new measure. So here we will replace function equal to, I will use replace function. Our old text will be power automate, comma, starting position is 7, comma, number of characters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will replace the automate with BI. So for this you need to count the starting position, like our index start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we should count the blank also. So it is 6, and then A is starting from 7. So here number of characters are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the automate contains 8. So here we will provide 8 and comma, new text is BI. Now we will click on enter Now we will use this measure in card visual so we can see the output. Just select it and you can see it is Power BI. So next we will discuss about the search function. This function allows us to find the numbers of characters from the string reading from left to right, and you can see the syntax of the search function. We first parameter is the find string and the second parameter is within string. Then you can provide the start number and not found value. So you can see the search example also. We need to find the BI from the Power BI and the starting string is 1, and if it is not found value then it will return blank. Now let's see how we can use this in Power BI. So for this I will create a new measure. Here I will write search FUNC equal to search function and the find text is BI, comma, our full text will be Power BI, and we will click comma, and the starting position we will provide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7, comma, not found value will be blank, and enclose the bracket. Now we will commit this formula and we will use this formula in our card visual. So for this we will select this measure and you can see it is in 7th position. Even if I will use 1 here, it will start searching from the first of the first of the text string and it will provide the position where the BI is started. Next, we will discuss about the length function. This function allows us to count the number of characters available in the string, and it accepts the only the string parameter, and you can see the example of the length function. Now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. So in Power BI, we will create a measure. So I will provide the name as length func equal to length, and we will provide the text. So Power Automate, and I will enclose the bracket and I will use this measure in our card visual. So here you can see the length of the function is 14. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the length of the function. Now next move forward and see our next functions in text function. Our next function is the exact function. This function is used to compare the two text or string and returns true if they exactly match. The exact function is case sensitive and it ignores the formatting differences. So, for example, if we will provide string 1 and string 2 and accepts two parameters, that is string 1 and string 2, and we will see the example over here. That is, we have passed Power BI and Power Automate, which is exactly not same. Now let's see how we can do this in Power BI. So now in Power BI, we will click on new measure and I will provide the measure name as exact func, and I will click on equal and I will use the exact function. First for text I will provide Power BI and then comma, then I will use Power Automate and I will enclose the bracket and will click on enter. Now I will use this measure in our card visual and you can see it is returning false. Now if I will make it BI and click on enter, now it is returning true. So basically it is checking whether the string is exactly matched to the other string. Next function is the lower function. This function is used to change the string to all lowercase letter and it accepts the only the string parameter, and you can see the example of the lower function. So now we will create a new measure. Here I will write lower func equal to, I will write lower and I will provide the text, for example Power Automate. Okay, I will click on enter. Now I will use this function in card visual and you can see every letter, every character in this string is converted to the lowercase letter. Similarly, we can do it uppercase letter. If I will write upper and I will check it, and you can see every character in the string is converted to the uppercase. Next, move forward and check our next function. Our next function is the trim function. This is used to remove all spaces from the text, but for single spaces between words. So here you can see the trim string. Trim function accepts one parameter, that is string function, and you can see the example of the trim function. To create a string trim function, we will create a new measure, and here I will provide the name as trim FUNC equal to, I will provide trim, and here I will provide the text. Hi, this world is beautiful. Okay, now I will provide some spaces. Okay, 1 second. I will make full stop, and then I will make some spaces and I will enclose. Now we will use this measure in our card visual to see the output. So select the measure, and here you can see the trim function. For example, let's make some spaces over here and click enter. In between the two words, it is not trimming those white spaces, it trimming the spaces that are unnecessary. Okay. So our next function is the value function. This function is used to convert a string represented as number to number decimal. For example, you can see the example, that is value function accepts only text parameter, and we are providing 10 and it is returning as 10.0. Or for this I have created a new measure, and let's provide value func equal to value, and here I will provide 10, and I will use this value function in the card wizard, and you can see this number is converted to the decimal value. So this is how we can use the text functions in our Power BI. That's all for today. We will see you on next video. Thank you so much.